At Elite Auto Gear, we don't just sell you a product, we raise it up with you. From baby speakers to the big bass you've always dreamed of.
Thanks for raising me right.
See, we're in this together. Here at Elite Auto Gear, we have over 1,000 plus products. We carry the best brands in the game, and we're an authorized dealer for everything we sell. Bro, for real, we don't sell this, dog. And that's just scratching the surface. Come on, man. We've got free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Dude, whether you're just dipping your toes into car audio or you're ready to dive all the way in, we've got you covered. We got speakers, amps, subwoofers, wiring kits, tweeters. It will make your car move from wall to wall. From power supplies to processors, Elite Auto Gear has it all. So think we're done? We're just getting started. Here at Elite Auto Gear, we're not just selling you stuff, we're selling you a lifestyle. We're car audio lovers, enthusiasts, and let's face it, we're a little obsessed. So what are you waiting for? It's a no-brainer. Turn your car into what it's meant to be. Go to eliteautogear.com and grab the gear that's got your back.